Mikey. I'm the West Coast teacher on the Upskill project. Here I am at Morgan's getting ready to teach her how to do a landscape project.
I'm Morgan Byrne, and I've lived in Salt Lake City for 7 years now. My husband and I have been in this place about 5 years. He's away in the National Guard, so I've been doing a lot of home projects and stuff myself.
So she has a fence that needs some love. Also, there's a gate that we're going to be building for her custom, as well as staining the fence and the gate as well. Today is our home and store visit. It's my first chance to assess the actual workspace, which is the home portion of the home and store visit. I'm really looking forward to finally meeting Morgan. Congratulations, nice to finally meet you in person.
Nice to meet you too.
Let's go outside so I can actually see our workspace. We'll replace some of these posts that aren't treated.
It's gonna be awesome, I think, working with Mikey. He's got a ton of projects under his belt, so I'm excited to learn a lot from him.
So it's actually 1.5 inches by 3 All right. Let's do some shopping.
Here we are.
After you.
We are gonna pick out the stain.
Newburyport blue. Newburyport.
Gonna be picking out hardware and staining supplies and things like that, so we can get going right away on project day.
All right.
We did it!
The goal of upskilling people in the Upskill project is teaching these new homeowners the skills they need to move on to other projects and also pay that knowledge forward. That is the Upskill project.
Well, so far so good today. We have totally done all the demo and have ripped out an entire section of fence and gate, just gone. Now we're working on cleaning the fence to prepare it to stain, and it's looking brand new.
So we got our auger just before lunch, so I was able to run through that skills training with her on small motors, which is great. This is your throttle. So you see turtle, bunny?
Using the auger was pretty scary at first. It is a huge tool, and honestly, that was the first time I've ever used a piece of equipment with that kind of a motor on it.
Morgan, I think she's really taken to the skills. She has no problem actually grabbing those tools and jumping into the project, so it's really cool to see that happen. Good, let's do a couple more. We'll work our way out. So rather than pointing kind of up, I'm gonna point down a little, then level out, and then point down again.
Okay. I am in love with that spray gun. I don't know if I'm gonna give Mikey his spray gun back, but I guess I'll just have to buy my own. And this dark mahogany is looking fantastic with just one light coat, so very pleased with it.
We have one team working on cleaning and staining the fence, while the other guys are working on setting those new posts with concrete. So by the time we get to this point tomorrow afternoon, we're gonna be ready to actually put those new planks back up into place. We got done everything on my list today, plus a little bit more. Using the existing panels that we have, while someone else runs down the line and marks where our supports are gonna go. That way. Here, day 2, progress is going good. We basically got one half of the 2 sides of our fence completed. We're about halfway down that first side, which was the most dilapidated, so that's starting to come together and it's looking great.
This morning I learned to use the miter saw as we were making some cuts on some of the 2x4s that are going to create the gate.
I think it went really well. I know she was very intimidated at first, even to just squeeze that trigger. But even though she was scared at first, she seems pretty confident, and she's using it safely and properly when it comes to the miter saw.
It was a little intimidating because I wasn't as fast or efficient at putting up the rails or making cuts on the miter saw, but you know, just given some time, I was able to get there, and I feel like I was able to become more efficient and get these skills under my belt and feel confident in them. This stinks. It stinks to high heaven.
We got a little held up in the last hour and a half or so with some weather, but there's not much we can do about that. However, the yard is looking amazing. I would say we're about at 85% on the total project. I'm really happy with the turnout. We'll come back Saturday, we'll wrap up the gate, and we'll get the rest of the stain done.
I feel like this has been an incredible success. It's 90% of the way there. We'll soon have a functioning gate, and it's just more than I could have ever hoped or dreamed for.
All right. Hello, guys. We are back here. Let's go, everybody.